The How to Invest in Real Estate is a unique Udemy course. How to invest in real estate that helps beginners, starters, and newbies learn about investing in real estate in 90 days. You will learn about saving money for a down payment, getting a mortgage, paying off the mortgage, and other tricks so they will increase their wealth. The How to Invest in Real Estate course is your comprehensive guide to building wealth through real estate, tailored specifically for those taking their first steps in this exciting and lucrative field. Unlike other courses that overwhelm you with technical jargon or assume prior knowledge, this program is crafted for beginners, starters, and absolute newbies. If you've ever dreamed of owning property, building passive income, or securing your financial future, this course is the perfect launchpad. My name is Kevin Burns. I have owned several properties in Canada, and I own 4 properties in Japan. Please learn from my wealth of experience.